Hey guys, so tonight we're going to work on adding algebraic expressions involving the distributive property. So our goal for you guys is to take the notes as you see me draw them on the screen, copy them exactly into your notebook. Then I'm going to give you some problems to try. Once you finish those problems, you'll enter your answer on the Go Formative assignment to be able to see how well you understood. We're going to review all of this in class tomorrow and have lots of practice time. So we kind of call this flipped learning because you get kind of the instruction from me watching the video at night, and then you come in and get all the practice and feedback in class. It'll also give us time to do our cool NBA project in class. So here's our first notes. To add algebraic expressions, we always want to look in front and distribute any number in front of the parentheses first. Distribute, make sure you're spelling correctly for that notebook check. Any number in front of the parentheses. Then we combine like terms. So let's take a look at number 1. We have 3x minus 4 plus 2x plus 9. So I don't have any numbers out front to distribute, so I will copy it down as 3x minus 4 plus 2x plus 9. In this problem, the parentheses don't serve very much purpose since there's nothing to distribute. What are my like terms? 3x plus 2x. Remember to keep that sign in front, so I'm going to add 3 and 2 to get 5x. And then I have negative 4 and plus 9. So negative 4 plus 9 is, that's right, positive 5. And I am finished. My answer is going to be a new expression. Let's try number 2. Okay, is there anything to distribute? Yes, so we need to distribute our 2 to each term inside. And 2 times 3y is 6y. 2 times positive 1 is positive 2. And then I'm going to distribute my positive 5. So that gives me positive 5y and positive 20. Now I'm going to find my like terms. 6y, keep the sign in front, plus 5y is 11y. And I'm going to find my constants. That's that positive 2 and positive 20, which gives me 22. And we can box that in. Okay. All right, let's try number 3. This one's going to step it up. We have to distribute a negative. So that gives me negative 12x. And negative times negative 1 does give me positive 4. Now I'm going to distribute a positive 2 to x and to negative 6x. So that gives me positive 2x. Positive 2 times negative 6 gives me negative 12. So I'm going to write that as a minus 12. Now I'm going to look for my like terms. Negative 12x, positive 2x is a negative 10x. Positive 4 and negative 12 is, that's right, negative 8. So write that as a minus 8. Let's try the last one. All right, we've got 3 terms or expressions being added together. Notice there is nothing to distribute in front of either expression. So I'm just going to bring them out. And we're going to pay close attention to what could be like terms. Interesting. I'm noticing on this last expression, the x, 9x, and the 6 are in different order. So let's be careful with that. Our like terms are 4x, negative 12x, and positive 9x. So what does that give us? It gives us positive 1x. Now we have negative 5, positive 9, and positive 6. What does that give us? That's right, 10. Now let's simplify this expression. This is one where we can simplify. How do you think we can simplify? That's right. We do not need a coefficient of 1. We reviewed that yesterday. There is always an imaginary coefficient of 1 in front of every variable. So simplest form is to simply write x plus 10. Okay. We will do some more processing tomorrow during bell work, but right now I want you to go to the left on your processing side of your notebook. I want you to try these next you-try problems. When you finish, you can enter your answers on GoFormative to see how you've done. Make sure you're doing these in pencils. We will go over them during bell work to make sure you have any mistakes or questions that you need clarification on. And then we're going to do some practice together. All right, see y'all guys tomorrow.